Namaste one and all. On behalf of Sky family, I wish you all a very happy Navratri. May Ma Durga shower all her blessings on you and family. It's a great blessing to share the significance of Ma Durga's incarnation associated with the 9 days of Navratri. Jai Ma Ambe. Day 1, Ma Shailaputri. Day 2, Ma Brahmacharini. Day 3, Ma Chandrakhanda. Day 4, Ma Kushmanda. Day 5, Skandamada. Day 6, Kartiyayini Ma. Day 7, Kalratri Ma. Day 8, Mahagauri Ma. And Day 9, Ma Siddhidatri.
Goddess Shailaputri is the first manifestation of Goddess Durga. She holds a Trishul in one hand and a lotus in the other, and rides a bull called Nandi. Goddess Parvati was born as the daughter of Himalaya, and in Sanskrit, Shail means the mountain. Thus, she is known as Shailputri. Devotees offer pure ghee on the foot of Goddess Shailputri. It is believed that by offering pure ghee, the devotees are blessed with a life free of diseases and illness. Goddess Brahmacharini. The second day of Navratri is dedicated to Goddess Brahmacharini. The goddess walks bare feet with a Rudraksh mala in one hand and a sacred Kamandalu in the other. The meditative form of this goddess symbolizes Goddess Parvati when she engaged in her deep meditation to please Lord Shiva. Goddess Brahmacharini is offered sugar for the longevity of the family members. Goddess Chandrakhanda. The third day of Navratri is of Goddess Chandrakhanda. She is a fierce 10-armed goddess with a crescent moon on her forehead, which gives her the name Chandrakhanda. She rides on a tiger to destroy all evil and wicked. The ferocious goddess is pleased with Kheer. She is known to drive away all pains. Goddess Kushmanda. Chaturthi or the fourth day of Navratri is of Devi Kushmanda. The name Kushmanda is derived from three words. Ku means little, Ushma, warmth or energy, and Amanda, egg, which means the creator of the universe. Devotees offer Malpua to Ma Kushmanda to improve their intellect and decision-making ability. Goddess Skandamata, who is worshipped on the fifth day, is also known as Panjami. Skandamata is a four-armed deity who carries a lotus in two of her arms with a sacred Kamandalu and a bell in the other two. She also carries a little Kartikeya on her lap, and because of this, Kartikeya is also known as Skanda. She is seated on a lotus. Bananas is the favorite fruit of Goddess Skandamata. Goddess Kartiyayini. The sixth day of Navratri is dedicated to Goddess Kartiyayini, who is a form of Shakti, also known as the warrior goddess. Kartiyayini is considered as one of the most violent forms of Goddess Parvati. She has 4 arms and carrying a sword. Devotees offer honey as prasad to Devi Kartiyayini. Goddess Kalratri. Saptami or the 7th day of Navratri is of Goddess Kalratri. As per legends, she sacrifices her skin color and embraced a dark complexion to kill demons. She is a 4-armed deity who rides a donkey, carries a sword, a trident, and a noose. She had a third eye on her forehead that is believed to contain the entire universe. Offer jaggery as prasad to Devi Kalratri for relief from pains, obstacles, and bring happiness. Goddess Mahagauri. Durgashtami or the 8th day of Navratri is dedicated to Goddess Mahagauri. She is a 4-armed deity who rides on a bull or a white elephant. She carries a Trishul and a Damru in her hands. Goddess Mahagauri is offered coconut by devotees. Goddess Siddhidatri. The 9th or the final day of Navratri is of Goddess Siddhidatri. She is projected as a four-armed deity sitting on a lotus, holding a mace, discus and a book and lotus in her hands. This form of goddess Durga signifies perfection. Sesame seeds are offered to Devi Siddhidatri for safety and security from unnatural events.